Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a very stylish hairstyle for medium hair length. First of all, comb your hair. Now take some hair from the right hand side of your head. Tie these hairs with the help of a rubber band. Now comb well and take some amount of your hair from the left hand side. Make sure that you neatly pick up some hair from the left hand side. Make a braid from these hairs. Once the braid is done, leave it and take some more hairs after a gap from the same side. Make a braid from these loose hairs as well. Follow the step for 3 to 4 times and make braids. Here we have 4 braids are ready. Hold all the 4 braids and set them on the right hand side by giving some space and make sure that they look in the arc shape. Hold the edges of the braids and tuck them on the right hand side where you have already placed the rubber band. See, this is how it will look from the left hand side. Now make a braid from the loosened hair. While making the braid, loose the hair from the one side. As you can see, the braid is going to complete. Now roll this braid and give it the shape of a flower. Tuck this braid over the rubber band. Set this flower with the help of hairpins. To give a fancy look, you can place some fancy clips or pearls. See, this is how this hairstyle will look. Do try this stylish hairstyle and please let us in the comment section box. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.